Did you know that you can create automated Facebook Messenger replies within High Level? This is an awesome feature that will allow you to engage with your customers on Facebook automatically, and it only takes one workflow. So let's dive right in. Now, before I show you the workflow, make sure that your Facebook account is connected by navigating to settings and then to integrations on the sub account level. Just make sure it says connection active on the right-hand side, and you can manage your pages here by selecting manage pages or from the settings page. So all this takes is one workflow. Our trigger is going to be really simple. It's going to be customer replied, and then we'll add a filter for the replied channel by selecting replied channel and then selecting Facebook Messenger. And you can leave your trigger like this, or if you want to have your messages automated based on a specific phrase, you can use the phrase filter by adding another filter and using contains phrase or exact match phrase. So if somebody responds to you with a specific word like learn, then it'll launch the automation. But if you just want to handle your Facebook Messenger replies, all you need to use is that trigger and then use the action of Facebook Interactive Messenger, and then select the reply type as reply to DM. This is just the standard reply type for anyone that messages us using a DM. Then we can include our message like this, and we can even use custom values like the name, which it can pull from the Facebook account, which is really cool. And then at the bottom of our Facebook Interactive Messenger, we can add buttons, which will give users the ability to interact with us using buttons within the Facebook app, which is really cool. So we can enter a button name like go to website or book a call. And then you can add conditions such as opening up a website, which can open up a link or a call number or perform actions. Perform actions will just launch whatever actions come afterwards based on this tree here. And of course, within these actions, you can add more messages with the Facebook Interactive Messenger. And if you just want a very basic message, you don't have to add buttons or quick replies. Quick replies are similar to buttons, but they're just for replies, which will respond back to you. But there's a lot of customizations that you can do with this in order to customize the responses that are going back to users on Facebook. For example, one of the things I love most is using ChatGPT to formulate custom responses to talk back and forth with people on Facebook, or you can use it to automatically book calls, get people to go to your website, or engage with your business. There's a lot of cool stuff you can do with Facebook automated messages, so I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you learned something new, and thank you so much for watching.